Hello everybody, Mr. Gilbert back here with another awesome video. Get ready, this is about the history of geology. In other words, the famous geologists and their early ideas. And so you can put this in your science journal under the history of geologists and famous geologist ideas, just like it says right at the top. Reminder, geology is the study of Earth's rocks, landforms, and features. And to start with, we'll go back, about 120, make that 30 years ago in time, and there was very famous geologic debate going on about how the rock formed. And the debate was basically broken into two camps: uniformitarianism, sponsored by Mr. Lyell, and catastrophism, which was kind of a religious idea. And basically it was like, the reason the earth looks like it does is because of slow continual changes, uniform slow continual changes by Lyell, or sudden changes, catastrophes, as quoted in many religious texts. And of course, if you look out there, there's lots of different environments, and people were trying to figure out why mountains look the way they do, why rivers are where they are, why we have cliffs, etc., etc. And of course, uniformitarianism, principle that states geologic change processes occurred in the past can be explained by current processes, which is accurate. If you watch what goes on today, you can then assume at what might have happened in the past. And catastrophism is a principle that states geologic changes always tend to occur suddenly, whether it's a big meteor or comet striking the earth, wiping out dinosaurs, changing the landscape, or it's a massive flood or a landslide, etc., rapid changes. Well, kind of another review: uniformitarianism, Lyell, slow changes, basically from erosion, from building processes, etc., that alter the landforms, versus the other was fast, floods, plagues, punishment from gods, what have you. Well, along came this guy. Yeah, we don't have any pictures of him, just drawings, sorry. James Hutton. And neither one of those are right in their trueness. Instead, Hutton became the father of geology. He wrote this kind of boring book called The Theory of the Earth, which really blended the two current ideas into what we now call realism. And what is realism according to Hutton? And it's the key to understand the Earth's changes is to observe it over time. Because by observing things over time, you see slow and fast changes, which is what happens. So the balance of theories, many processes occur slowly, some are very rapid, and that's how the Earth actually formed. It was awesome because, oddly enough, after Hutton came out with this deal, it was Lyell who became his biggest supporter. Basically, Lyell created this new technique, which we kind of still use today, to date rocks, called radiometric dating. You might hear it called radioactive or absolute dating. And there's a great video on them off my YouTube page. Go check it out. So that kind of sums things up about the great debate. Hope you had fun, and get ready to party on, Wayne.